What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to discuss here in today's video is the quantum computing space. Is it the time to sell, or is this just a major correction? As you all know, today's QUBT price action came with a 43% close retracement, and with all 13 quantum space stocks actually dropping here. If we take a brief look and just check out the gap down here in QUBT, as you guys can see here, broke majorly through that mid-Bollinger Band, as well as RGTI, IONQ, QUBT. If you did catch yesterday's video, I'll let everyone know those gains that WIMI did get here in the aftermarket hours here yesterday was going to give majority of those gains back if market conditions calls for it, if we do not see a turnaround here in the quantum space. And that's exactly what happened here. If we take a brief look and just check out the 15-minute chart, that pop here in the aftermarket hours gave away thanks to market conditions here, but it doesn't stop there. HOLO did see a gap down as well here. If we take a brief look and check out LAES and the star stocks here in the sector as well. Google retracing close to 0.8%. Other big names such as IBM also finishing here in the red, and Intel. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if we take a brief look and go back to QUBT and QBTS, I know a lot of retail investors may see major concern here, but this kind of consolidation period that we did find ourselves in, like I told you guys before, we're going to see a fluctuation in price. We were guessing that that was going to be a fluctuation to the upside, but total drop here in today's trading. Things can get much worse here, ladies and gentlemen, if we do not recover back towards this mid-Bollinger Band by the end of the week for QUBT, as well as the QBTS, IONQ, as well as RGTI, WIMI, LAES, HOLO, and QMCO as well, ladies and gentlemen. All the quantum computing stocks except the star-studded stocks like Google, Intel, IBM, those three stocks are the only ones that didn't face this major retracement due to the heavy market cap that these three share. But the ones with the less market cap, things that's under a billion, even QBTS with a billion, IONQ with 6.55 billion in market cap, and RGTI, even though that these things have billion-dollar market caps, ladies and gentlemen, they're nothing compared to the 206 billion that IBM currently holds. Intel holds 85 billion, and Google is a 2.3 trillion dollar company. With that being said, they're going to feel less volatile swings to the up and downside when the quantum computing space undergoes changes like this. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I don't feel as though that this quantum computing retracement is going to continue, especially with the wide range of trade that we are currently seeing. I do feel as though that we're going to find ourselves in yet another bottom consolidation state here in the QUBT and QBTS like we did see here. I do feel as though that we're going to see a bottom consolidation here for a few days of trading like we did see here before we even attempt to actually cross that mid-Bollinger Band. We will be short sale restricted here in all the stocks that we've spoken here about, except the big three, Intel, IBM, as well as Google. But all the others in the quantum computing space will be short sale restricted here tomorrow. So it's going to be very interesting how the market reacts to the opening share price. Far as the aftermarket buying pressure that we see here today, that can be easily washed away, guys, like we do see here from today's pre-market trading, if we continue to see the downwards momentum across the board in the quantum space. I do feel as though that QUBT stands a very great chance, if that does take place, ladies and gentlemen, to visit that lower. It should cross that lower around those $7 levels here if that does take place. But on the other side of things, expect for QUBT to actually revisit those $11 levels if we find ourselves in the bottom consolidation. And I do feel as though that uptick here will find us around those $11 levels. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you're still holding any of these stocks, can you please comment the ones that you're holding here in the comment section below? And for all you KULR and ACHR shareholders out there, I will be dropping a update video here on my second YouTube channel, which is called Grandmaster-obi, and may the gains be with you.